Bangalore's Guddadahalli is a neighborhood that is quickly growing. The government must make sure that effective land management and surveying are carried out in the area, given the rising demand for real estate holdings. Government land surveyors can be useful in this situation. They are in charge of carrying out surveys and drawing up precise maps of the surrounding terrain. By doing this, they contribute to preventing border conflicts and other land ownership-related problems. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one such business that has been active in this industry for a while. They specialize in offering clients in the public and private sectors land surveying services. Modern technology is used by their team of skilled surveyors to provide accurate maps and reports that are crucial for managing and developing real estate. A land surveyor's job is essential to the efficient and effective land development process. They are accountable for precisely measuring and outlining a property's boundaries and for spotting